Hey guys, so I'm going to be sharing you my Manychat sequence. So here's how you need to do it. There'll be a link below to join Manychat if you don't have it already. I believe you have to have it open and then click on the import link. Okay, don't try to click on the import link before that. Just go sign up, use the Manychat link below and then go sign up and then you can import. So let's go through this. So for mine, these are my prompts: AI, faceless, guide, learn, how, ready, start, help, yes, all. So those are the trigger words. It posts random replies. All right. And then it will open this one. So do you want to access the exact proven training that earns me over 1,000K daily and get my free guide and landing page emailed to you? If the button doesn't show, you can grab it from the link in my bio. You can change this to that earns beginners $1,000 K. You don't have to say it's you if you don't want to. So then what happens is they hit send it to me. Awesome. It says click the button below and I will show you the exact same training. And that's where you put your landing page link, right? On the give it to me. You add your landing page link there. That's the one that you get set up. And then there's something called a smart delay. It waits 6 hours. And then it prompts them, right? Hey, did you have a chance to check it out? Check out the training that I got. What questions can I answer? Also, don't forget to check your email for my free quick start guide, right? So I'm retelling them, go check the email. That way they open your email. So that's basically it. So guys, just go down, grab your Manychat account. Now this is if you want to automate it. If you want to do it manually, that's fine. But I'm just saying that at some point, you're going to get so many, like I do, sometimes I get a couple hundred comments a day. I just can't, there's no possible way. And if you try to do it, you do it without a sequence and automation, then you can, Instagram can go hard on your account kind of thing. All right, guys, I hope that helps. So again, here are the instructions. Go down, get your Manychat account. If you have one, open it up, make sure it's open in your browser. And then you want to click on the link and it should import, say, where do you want to import this? And it should import it right into your sequence. And there you go.